Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Cisco, Google, IBM, Zoom, Apple. What's one thing these major tech players all have in common? They've all been hit by zero-day attacks. What's that? Not a good thing. It's a cyber attack that can be catastrophic for business. The bad guys exploit a software flaw before the developers have a chance to fix it. This lets a zero-day attacker steal data, corrupt files, take control of devices, install malware or spyware, and more. Don't get hit by the next one. Download Counting Down to the Next Zero-Day Attack: What Business Needs to Know to Learn More. Our ebook defines zero-day exploits, explains how they work, shares recent examples, discusses prevention and detection. Download the ebook today